Good morning, my dear students. Over here, the continuation of the previous class comparatively is very easy. Look at here. If look here carefully. If a side of a triangle is produced, then the exterior angle formed is equal to the sum of interior opposite angle. That is in textbook page number 106. Page number 106. Better you write that here. It is in page number 106. Look at the triangle ABC. BC produced to D. Now the exterior angle is this one. Okay. In the triangle ABC, BC produced to D. Now the exterior angle is angle ACD equal to the sum of interior opposite. Interior opposite is these two angles. Angle A plus angle B. We want to prove angle ACD equal to angle A plus angle B. Is it clear? Now start. Now let's look here carefully. Let's angle ACB equal to X. Then angle ACD is linear pair of this angle, that's equal to 180 minus X. If this angle is X, that angle is 180 minus X. Is it correct? Look here. Angle A plus angle B plus angle AC. That is sum of angles of a triangle is 180 degree. Therefore, angle A plus angle B plus ACB is X. That's equal to 180 degree. Angle A plus angle B equal to 180 minus X. Angle ACB is already assumed. We assume that this angle is X. Okay. Then the sum of these two angles is also 180 minus X. Exterior angle is also 180 minus X. Is it clear? Therefore, they are equal. That is, angle ACD equal to angle A plus angle B. Is it clear? Is it clear? Exterior angle is equal to sum of interior opposite angle. And you know what is bisector of angle? Bisector means, look at here. Look here carefully. If this angle is 80 degree, the bisector passes through 40. So it divides to two equal parts. Similarly, if this is 60 degree, the bisector goes through 30. 30 and 30. That is bisector. Angle bisector, that already is studied. You know as angle bisector. Then starts here. Now, in the figure, there are two exterior angle. One of the angle is 130, other angle is 150. We want to find all angles of triangle ABC. Are you ready? Now, this angle is 110 means this angle they are supplementary. Therefore, 180 minus 110. So, ACB equal to 180 minus 110. That's equal to 70. Is it clear? Similarly, here also supplementary. And the name is BAC. 180 minus 150 equal to 30 degree. Is it clear? These two angles are supplementary. These two angles are supplementary. Supplementary means 180. So you get ACB and BAC 70 and 30. And how can we find the third angle? Angle ABC. That's equal to the sum of angles of a triangle is 180. Two angles are 70 and 30. 70 plus 30, 70 plus 30 equal to 100. So the third angle is 80 degree. You get the idea how to find the angles of triangle. Next. Given another problem like this. And it is, these two angles are given. Angle A equal to 80 degree and angle B equal to 60 degree. The total angle A equal to 80, angle B equal to 60. We want to find the angles of triangle OBC. Better you write the question, that's better. and we want to find all angles of triangle OBC. Look at here. Look here very carefully. This angle is 80 and this angle is 60. And given that OB and OC are bisectors, OB, OC are bisectors of angles. So find the third angle. Two angles are 80 and 60. So it is 180 minus 80 plus 60, 140, you get 40. Is that clear? So bisector means if this angle is 60, bisector means it is divided into two equal parts, 30 and 30. That is 60 divided by 2. Here it is 40 degree means it's also OC divided into two equal parts. That is bisector. So 40 divided by 2, 20 and 20. Look here. So the lines angle OBC 60 divided by 2 equal to 30. OCB 40 divided by 2 equal to 20. Okay. And BOC, that is the third angle of the triangle. Two angles are 30 and 20. 60 by 2 30, 40 by 2 20. Two angles are 30 and 20. The third angle is 180 minus 30 plus 20. That is 180 minus added to the 50. Your answer is 130 degree. You get the idea? Is it clear? Look very carefully. Then, again you draw the same figure. Same figure. And here also OC and OB are the bisectors. You see that OC and OB are the bisectors. And it is given 36 and 24 here. In figure, OB and OC are the bisectors of angle A and angle C. We want to find this angle. Find angle BAC. Are you ready? So, if this angle OBC is 36, OBA is also 36. That is the meaning of bisection. Similarly, if OCB is 24, here also OCA is also 24. So, angle OBC equal to angle OBA equal to 36. Angle OCB equal to angle OCA equal to 24. Is it clear? So, and total angle B is 36 into 2, 72 degree. Similarly, angle C is 24 into 48 degree. 36 plus 36, 72. That is 24 plus 24, 48. Is it clear? So, how can we find angle BAC? That is the third angle. That is the third angle of that triangle. So, angle BAC or A equal to 180 minus the two angles are 72 and 48. That is added to get 120. Is it clear? So, your answer is 60 degree. Is it clear? And okay, now I will give you home assignment of this later. Okay? Very carefully watch the video, then answer it. Watch the video first, then answer it for the best. Remember, this chapter is completed. We left only 3 or more 4 problems. Then it is completed. I will give you a test paper next week. Okay? Next week, there is a text paper. Study well all the parts of the chapter well. Watch the videos very carefully, then answer it. Okay? All the best.